Today we have come across a question of finding the area of a triangle. Our question is find the area of this triangle and three sides are mentioned 15, 20 and 25. Now whenever you get this kind of questions, we are talking about isosceles or scaling triangles, we have to use Heron's formula. Now what is Heron's formula? The first part of Heron's formula is to find the semi-perimeter. For finding semi-perimeter, our formula is A plus B plus C by 2. A plus B plus C by 2. So we can get 15 plus 20 plus 25 by 2. 15 was side A, 20 was side B, 25 was side C. All the sides we are adding and divided by 2. So this brings 30 meter. This is 30 meter. If we add all the sides, we get 60 and 60 divided by 2 is 30. This is what? This is our semi-perimeter. Now let's move on to the second part of the formula. Our formula says S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C whole root. S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C whole root. Now just put the values. The value of S we have already found 30 into S minus A. So 30 minus the value of A was 15. So put 15. Then S minus B. The value of S was 30 minus the value of B was 20. So put 20. And 30 minus the value of C was 25. So let's put 25 in this case. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now if we further solve this, 30 into 30 minus 15 is 15, 30 minus 20 is 10 and 30 minus 25 is 5. 30 into 15 into 10 into 5. Now we need to do LCM. So what is the shortest way of doing LCM? Let's do LCM of all the numbers individually. Now if we take 30, we get 2 into 3 into 5. If we take 15, we get 5 into 3. If we get 10, we get 5 into 2, and if we do 5, we get only 5. So our LCM is completed. Now you need to take pairs. As we can see, 2 is here and 2 is here, so we get 1, 2, multiplication. We get 1, 3 and 1, 3, so again 1, 3. There is 1, 5 and 1, 5, so from these two we are taking 1, 5 and 1, 5 and 1, 5, so again we are taking 1, 5. All the pairings are complete. Now we need to multiply this. 2, 3 is 6, 6, 5 is 30 and 35 is 150 meter square, and this is our final answer. So the area of this triangle, that was 15 meter, 20 meter and 25 meter, is 150 meter square. Done.